be some dumbasses and start the snowmobile
In the summer.
in the like summertime, pretty much. We'll just start, like, not drive them, but just start them up, like see if the engine.
Where's the exhaust?
Okay,
That worked well.
so I forgot how polaris is. How when you turn the key, it starts.
Okay,
All
go.
right, let's do this.
Polaris?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sad.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, the smoke.
And there's a spider. The nice smell.
So now what?
There's a pull start.
Yeah, pull start, kids. Do you know what that is?
I want to try pull starting it. See how it works.
Do you know how pull start works?
Yes, I know how to pull start. That pink one is only a pull start, and I drove that.
That sucks.
Alright, we're still recording.
I'm just gonna sit down. We can't find the key to this one. That's sad.
This one needs 2 hands, so I'm gonna stop the recording.
Pull start. We should probably go in now, eh? Bye, guys.